Rama, Rama Das, Rama, being in his own dreams. He stayed in a small tinsel town of Malgudi with his wife Shanti Devi, who was not at all Shanti from her character, and stayed with this couple, their two beautiful goats named Leela and Sheila. The couple didn't have kids, they only had these two goats and they were starving for poverty from here and there. They sustained their lives by rearing these goats, and Rama used to often go every day to sell these goats with the hope that he will fetch money today. But sadly, it was not happening. Then every day there was a routine that Shanti Devi used to sit and used to say to Rama, Rama, when you will bring money? And why did I marry you? You are such a poor man. And Rama used to be in his own thought of process, thinking of he being Ramadrila and Sheila being Shanti being Shanti Drila, and they are living in a palace with the huge luxury cars, and he used to avoid Shanti Devi. And then a voice came, Rama, I'm talking to you. Where are you lost? Oh, are you leaving me? Rama used to think, no man, I'm preparing food for you. Eat the food. And as you can see, poor Rama used to drink water. Give Shanti Devi. Give water. Then, after, in the morning, again, the routine started. Rama used to go and Shanti Devi used to tell, Rama, sell the goats today. Sell them. He used to say, yes, God, if today I'm alive, I will sell the goats. I will sell the goats. Then, Rama used to walk and Shanti Devi used to say, sell the goats, sell the goats. And the place was where Rama used to every day go culturally was Victor's Palace. It was his dream destination because at this place he had a hope that his goats would be sold. Rama sleeping. Then suddenly he wakes up. He says, I'm feeling hungry. No one is coming. Let me just eat something. Then he's taking out and he's talking to Sheila and Leela. You know how I am. Why did I got married? One old man has told me that if I don't get married, then also I have to be cursed. If I get married, then also I have to be cursed. What destiny I have come with? Then suddenly a van arrives and Rama is in a hope that today some customer has come to take his goats. Then he goes and looks like this and the van passes away. His hopes are all null. And then he just goes and picks up the woods and he's talking to himself, what I have done, my goats are not going. It's okay, God's wishes like that. Then one more bus comes and Rama sees like this. Today he will take my Leela and Sheila and says, Leela and Sheila, your destiny has arrived. Then away it goes into vain. Then he carries away the wood for fire and he's talking to himself. Today if I don't sell the goats, I'm gone out of house. And today Shanti Devi is going to kill me. No, she's going to murder me. I think she's going to kidnap me or she's going to murder me. Today I'm not going home. I will run away. Then sun sets and he passes with his goats back to the home. At night, Shanti Devi, have you sold the goat, Rama? Have you? Rama, no, Shanti. No, I haven't sold them. Why? What happened? You know, nobody came. Then, Shanti Devi, again cursing him. Why did I marry you, Rama? Why? Give me the answer. Rama, in his own dreams. I'm talking to you, Shanti. I'm talking to you, Rama. He said, I will sell the goats tomorrow. You have to sell them. Then, again, he's in his hopes again. Next day, his hopes are arising again. Then, he stands up and goes in the dreams of thoughts, selling his goats at Victor's palace, and Rama, Shanti Devi saying her, you have to sell the goats today. And Shanti Devi, no, God, please make the goats sell today. At Victor's palace, Rama, waiting for somebody to arrive. Then arrives a British soldier with his car being fractured. Hey man, he says, hey man, old man, come here, come here. Rama, hey, I think he's come here to buy my goods. He's so excited. He holds his hand and says, sir, have you come here to buy my goods? He doesn't understand English. He said, oh, this statue, yeah, this statue. And he pays Rama 5,000 rupees for his goods. And Rama is so gratified that his gods got him 500. And he goes back and shows Shanti Devi 5,000. He said, what you have done? Then he says, its goat have come back again. And it's ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na.